come to the Jamaican Family Fun Day here for our second year running. We're talking about cancer awareness and how to reduce your risks of cancer through healthy lifestyles. So we're offering free BMIs, waist measurements and smokealizers to talk about living a healthy lifestyle and reducing your risks of cancer. We're also talking about spotting early signs and symptoms and early diagnosis of cancer. We talk about screening programs too. It's a great fun day. We've had a lot of interest here today. Our roadshow is supported by Peter Andre Fund and Cancer Research UK. Peter lost his brother Andrew from cancer, and he wanted to make people more aware of reducing their risks of cancer and early diagnosis.